I'm doing my PhD in informatics here at TU Wien. My research focus is Informatics Didactics, focusing on artificial intelligence. The eduLAB is an outreach program that offers school workshops to children ages 7 and up. We cover various topics of informatics, such as algorithms, encoding and artificial intelligence. Well, it combines a lot of things that I like. I like teaching in computer science, and in our work we get to dive deep into various subjects of computer science and get to the core of the concept and then prepare it for teaching so that others can enjoy it as well. Well, with our activities we reach about 1,000 students each semester, and we hope to inspire the next diverse generation of computer scientists.